Yeah, far out. Hey, baby, what's happening? Oh, man, I had a flashback from a flashback I had, man. Yeah. It was like a giant step outside of my mind. Yeah. Yeah, man, it was like when I went to the Newport University in Wales. Oh, yeah, man, get this. I spent most of my time there hanging out by the C-41 machine, man. Yeah, callers, man. Callers. Yeah, I was supposed to be waiting for film to develop, but the only thing I can remember is how I developed a thing for the chemicals, man. Yeah, man, I can still smell it, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. You know, but I'm proud to say I never fell down the stairs at Meze. Yeah, dig it, man. Totally disadvantaged on that one. Yeah, speaking of being disadvantaged, oh, man, it was like a real bad trip. Totally roleplay, you know? Yeah, beyond my mind, man, to realize I only got raped once by a Newport bouncer. Bummer, man, bummer. Oh, yeah, man, but those were the best 3 days of my life, man. Yeah, oh, wait, that was 3 years. Whoa, whoa, peace and love. Peace, man.